Yo, so today, obviously made a nice bit of profit. I actually made it shorting pre-market. I basically shorted to this low. What did I take? I can't remember. I took something here. I think I took like this. I know what I did was when we put in this wick, we retraced. I shorted here, stop at this wick, to this low, scaled in a bit here, scaled in some more here, trailed my stop actually to this high there, which we almost hit, but we didn't, so I stayed in there. And then what I did was, when we were down here, I waited a bit, and then, actually let me just check something. No, I was gonna just hold for ages, right, to like 3-4k profit, but I didn't. What I ended up doing was waited till we were down here, we come lower, we put this in, we traded lower, I then trailed my stop to like this high here, I think, to just below this low, and then it stopped me out. So I mean, I was going to take profit at this low anyway, and obviously with the when you trail, you can't always bloody get obviously the best exit. Anyway, what I was coming on to say was I locked out after this win. Obviously it's a significant win, but mate, this long looks so good, right? If I wasn't locked out or I hadn't taken a trade, I would have taken this long 1 minute Judas swing. Looks so good towards this high. The reason why it looks so good, all this low resistance, we're just gonna absolutely dick through it, and then you could just TP here, or you could probably go for this high, which is what I would do. I wish I was in it. Obviously I could have still been in it, like I could have made my money, you know, I could have just risked like $400 on this or something, which is obviously a bit more than normal, but I'm up 19, so I'd be worst case down to $1,500 profit, which is still a great day. Or obviously 4 times 4, 1,600, I would have been up like 3.5k, but I locked out. I do regret it. I just didn't think there'd be a great setup, but obviously there is. I'm sure this will hit. It's annoying, but you know, I can't sit here mad at 2k profit, and obviously it hasn't hit yet. It could come down and be a break even. You never know, because obviously I would be break even at this point. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful trade. I like the trade I took this morning. It was a very I mean, it was very low risk, right? I think I risked like $100 here, added a couple up here, got it to like 150 risk, but obviously I had a tight stop, and then we displaced lower, added some, trailed to here. I never risked more than like $150, but I just scaled in. I think I was into like 20 micros to like 2 minis. Then obviously yeah, like 6R to that low. Very nice. Obviously, you know, yeah, could have said, oh, why didn't you TP here, fucking there? But obviously, you know, when we got down to here, ES was kind of messing around. We were chopping. I just thought, you know, I want to TP at this low. Yes, I want to hold lower, but obviously, you know, if I just held forever and went break even, I would have been out break even, and that would have been tragic. So, you know, it's hard. There's not really anywhere other to TP than that low. So I just thought, you know, is it because, like, you know, I mean, like, if we went there, what if my TP was there? Like, do you know what I mean? There's no specific level, so you can't really judge it off that. So I just went, yeah, you know, once we get displacement below this low, I'll just trail to this low, right? Which is what I did. Can't be mad, right? Up 2k on the day. This would have been an absolute beautiful long to take. I'm sure this will smack, but it's just, oh yeah, I just wanted to come on and basically just point out this long, how good it looks. Just such a clear 1 minute inverse. Judas swing off open, so much low resistance. Absolutely lovely. Unfortunately, I miss out, but fortunately, I'm up 4% on the day anyway. The account's now at 53.1. I've got 2 winning days because I had a bad couple of days. The last few days, I just I lost more than I wanted to, and blah de blah. I didn't take the best trades so I'm up like basically 1,900 on the week, because I made a lot of profit on Monday. I think I had a $1,500 win, and then I lost it all in the next 2 days because I didn't trade great. But then obviously today we hit nice, so it's good. So I've got 2 winning days since my payout, 53.2k, and yeah, obviously, yeah, like I say, would have absolutely loved to be in this long, but in my head, I was like, right, 2K, just lock out. Don't, do you know what I mean? Don't even give yourself the chance to do anything silly. Which I still do think is not a bad decision, you know, because if I did risk, say, 400 on this, then it lost, like, I could have wanted to trade again or whatever. Like, you never know. I mean, it might still not work, but I'm highly confident that it will work, and it would have been a great trade. But either way, I think I should have just let myself trade, because obviously I traded pre-market, so if I just say, right, you know, one normal trade in AM, like normal, just kind of forget you traded pre-market, could have worked. Obviously, yeah, would have banked. Well, obviously not would have banked, but I'm, like, very confident this will bank, and it's such a great long. Hopefully anyone caught this who's watching. Hopefully you caught this, Roche. Maybe Lane, I don't know, if you're trading AM, but I do really like this long. Yeah, so that's today.